I thought I would get this relatively quickly and that the web clip was going to be the limiting factor. No, for some reason, it's the spawn displacement. I'm just not having enough time to fucking set it up correctly, and I'm just fucking it up. I'm getting very agitated.
Checkpoint.
Whee! Oh yeah, I'm jumping, 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 jumping.
I'm getting like, the web clips, it's being annoying, but it's not being that bad. Like, it's not the limiting factor as to why I'm not getting this. It's just the spawn displacement. You've got to be so quick.
Oh yeah, I'm jumping, 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 jumping. Yeah.
That's dumb. That's gotta be it. Come on. That has gotta be it. I will lose my mind if that's not it. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes! Holy shit! That took so long. I knew that was it. It was literally just the setup time. Jeez.